Hey guys, it's Ashleen. It's been a long time since I last filmed. A lot's happened. We've had Christmas and New Year and all of that sort of thing, and now we're well and truly into it's the 17th of January today. We're well and truly into the new year. So I thought it was high time I got in and filmed. I have got a new haircut since then. Got it done on Monday, so we're still adjusting to it, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's I do a lot of workout. I've started working out a little bit before Christmas, so I'm getting back on that weight loss bandwagon. And working out in summer in Australia, 40-degree heat days, your head gets sweaty. So I was like, well, let's just get rid of it. I haven't filmed for ages because, to be honest, I just have not had the time between traveling to Queensland to see my dad, Christmas, New Year, and I've been working sort of on and off. My husband's been working. He went back to work on Monday, so it's just the boys and I at home for the minute. It's been really busy, so I thought, well, I better get in and film this look. It's sort of a peachy coral eye with the neon blue green eyeliner. No blush, just a bit of bronzer and a little bit of highlight. I'm on Roaccutane now for my skin, so my lips are super dry. So all I've done is put a bit of pawpaw on my lips and just pop a little bit of cream highlighter across the top and bottom just to give it some sheen. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching, please. Take care. We're just going to get straight into it. I'm going to use Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation in the colour 1.2. I only have a sample pot because I'm just trying new foundations. So just going to dot it over. I don't know how fast it sets, so we'll just get straight into it. And I'll just do one side at a time in case it goes really fast. I'm just going to buff it in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. That's a pretty good colour match. I'm just going to do a second coat across this part of my face because this is the part that's a bit sad looking. Now I've already primed my face using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. And, oh, not in my hair. And we might leave it at that. Right, that's the base down. My kids are playing, I think they're playing the PlayStation actually. Still school holidays here in New South Wales. Now I have my favourite powder back. It's the Unique Mineral Touch Pressed Powder. I have the colour Velour. That's what it looks like there. That's the colour Velour. So, and I've got my big puffer brush and I'm just going to dab it on to set the base. We're not worrying about concealers today because unless you have 20 hours to get ready on the day, who uses it? So we're being realistic here. I don't have time to stuff around and do it. For an everyday look, unless you look like you've been belted in the eye, you seriously don't need concealer. You get a good coverage foundation because no one's eyes are that white. We're being real here. Alright, that's base down. I'm going to use, I did splash out and spoil myself. I got a gift voucher from Mecca off one of my aunties for Christmas. So I went and bought Stila Stay All Day Contouring Bronzer for Face and Body. It's a really big compact and you get a lot in it. So I'm going to bronze, contour, do the whole lot. Yeah. You just do all the sort of perimeters of your face. Because no one's face is one colour, obviously. I'm not too concerned about this side of my face because my hair covers it anyhow, so. Right. Just a tiny bit more, I think. Right. So that's that bit there done. Now, I also got a gift voucher off one of my lovely clients for Christmas to David Jones. So I went and bought the Beauty Blockbuster, oh my gosh, Beauty Blockbuster Cosmetic Color Collection by David Jones. So it's in like a little thing. Oh, and all the brushes are falling out. That's it there. So you've got all your eyeshadow colors, more eyeshadow colors here. You've got cream, highlighters, blushes, bronzers, contour, whatever you want to use it for. Now, I was devastated because there's one missing from there. You never know. I could have really wanted to use that particular one, but it's not in there. Anyway, thanks, David Jones. I'm sure you didn't do it on purpose, but it's still annoying. So I'm going to use this peachy, ooh, this is really big, peachy highlighter here. I'll show you a quick swatch. It's a really pretty one. You probably can't see it. But I'm just going to use that. Oh, wow. Lots comes off. Here. Not putting blush on. I want this look to be about the eyes. And we're going to put a tiny bit here. Okay, so that's all we're going to do for that. It's a really pretty highlighter. Okay. Now there's another, these are all actually really beautiful apricot peachy sort of colours. I'm going to use the one on this far side all over my eyelid. Let's try this new brush here. This is one of the brushes that came in the set. It's like a double-ended one with a pointy bit on, which we will actually use after. So, oh, it's soft. Let's give it a go and see how we go. It's going over the whole eyelid. I haven't done my eyebrows yet, so bear with me. It's just really pretty. Okay, and we'll just deepen it up here. Oh, don't know what that was. Something. All right, I'm going to use a little tiny bit of a bronzy coloured one. Which one though? That one will do. This through here for some dimension. These eyeshadows are beautiful. Easy to blend. Ooh. We're sort of just doing back and forth. It's a nice colour. And it's really hot upstairs in my house today. We will now just pop that little protective thing back on so I don't, ain't gonna happen. Right, I have a NYX retractable eyeliner in the colour Gypsy Blue. So I'm going to line the top and the bottom of my eyes, and I will be right back. Right, so just roughly top and bottom eyelash lines. Oh my god, I can't even talk. See, that's how long it's been since I filmed. I can't talk. NYX top and bottom with the Gypsy Blue. We're going to get sort of with the tapered edge on it. We're going to get the same sort of blue out of here, which is probably going to be this one here. And we're going to roughly follow that line. Now I've got all this beautiful new equipment, but I can't use it. Where's this coming from? A mark on my head. Anyway, I can't use it, my equipment, because I don't have the right adapter, so now I need to go and find a good adapter for it. So that's my job tomorrow. Not something I really wanted to do, but that's what we'll do. Right, eyebrows, NYX again, eyebrow pencil in the colour taupe. That's sort of pretty much it. I got Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It's just black, pretty stock standard. Trying to get a good separation with everyone's going on about this like it was the best thing since sliced bloody bread, but it's just pretty standard mascara. I don't see what's so special about it. Let me do the bottom lashes. Look, I mean, it's nice mascara, but it's not what everyone was raving about. I think I prefer my Maybelline one. For 25 bucks, I would have expected something to be really, really amazing, but we'll go for 2 coats and see what happens in a minute. I don't want my hair to get mascara on it. We'll do 2 coats and we will see what happens. Alright. 2 coats. Let's see. Right, now my lips are as dry because I am on Roaccutane for my skin. So we will just pop a bit of pure pawpaw on it for a bit of shine, and take a bit of this highlighter and just have a bit of powder highlighter on there. Finish off with a setting spray of your choice. Let us know what you thought of it. Let us know what you think of the new do. Something a bit different for me. It's too hot here in summer now, and because I'm in the park working out all the time, my head was getting sweaty. So let me know what you think. All my social media will be listed down below. Don't forget to pop on Instagram and follow me. I've got a Facebook page as well, and Twitter, but you know, I'm not really into Twitter, so try Instagram. Let us know how you say hi on Instagram if you decide to pop on and see my account. There's lots of photos of not just me, but the kids and the animals and all that sort of thing. All right, take care, guys. Hooroo.